Good evening. My name is Abhishek Singh. Today's date is 29th February 2024, and today's I was telling one story. Of this story is Tenali Ram and one king story. So let me start. So in Narayan Nagar Kingdom, there is one king. The name was Krishna Narayan, and the Krishna Narayan is a horse lover. Basically, they have lots of collections of horse. They monthly or daily, uh, if uh, they like any horse, so they directly purchase their horse. They are very uh, loved horse, and they was purchase the horses. So one day one trader is come, and they was tell to the king, I was the best horse in the Arabia. So if you liked it, so we can visit our shop. So that time king was very interested about that, because the horse is Arabia's best horse. So that time they goes to their trader shop. Then they see the horse, and horse is very awesome. So they purchase their horse, and that time trader was said, if you purchase same horse, so if you like that horse, so I will I will go to the Arabia and get two more horse for you. So king was said, okay, it is okay. So that time king was purchased that horse, and they give 5,000 gold coin to the traders. Then traders to promised king, so in 2 days I will get you the two horse. Then the king was going to their kingdom, and the traders go to the Arabia. Then 2 days left, then 2 weeks left, then 2 months left, but trader is not coming. Then the easiest mind, the king is go to their garden. Then they see the Tenali Ram. Then they asked to Tenali Ram, what are you doing, Tenali Ram? So that time Tenali Ram was hesitant. Then and they writing something in piece of paper, but they don't show that paper to the king. They were hesitant. Then they directly show that piece of paper to the king. Then king see their name is in top. So king asked, what is this list, Tenali Ram? So Tenali Ram directly said that this is the all fools list of Narayan Nagar kingdom. So king was angry with that, because their name is on top of that list. So Tenali Ram said to that story of that horse, because their king directly give 5,000 rupee gold coins to that stranger person, and they promised to the king they are coming 2 days. How it is possible? So that's why Tenali Ram mentioned the king's name in foolish list. And that time king was asked, if the trader was come and they give me that two horse, so that time where is the my name in the list? So that time the king Tenali Ram was said to the king, if trader is come, so there is list, there is replace your name to that trader, because they are also the foolish person in the this world, because if you give $5,000 and why they are coming. So this is the basically story of the kingdom of the king of fools. This is the basically story. Then the what is the moral of the story? In this story, the moral is, you don't believe stranger directly. Thank you.